So daily vlogging is becoming problematic for me, not because I don't have the time to edit. I mean, sometimes I don't with the kids, but what I'm realizing is that my life's kind of boring for my day-to-day. Like, if I'm not out in the shop, I mean, I just do everyday stuff. Like today, I got up this morning and worked out. Oh yeah! I'll spare you the gun show. And then I dropped the kids off to school, and now I'm gonna head home. I got a couple of business calls that I got to jump on. I got to talk to YouTube at like 11, and I've got a meeting with my financial manager at 9. So like, I won't do anything other than like paperwork and emails and stuff until at least noon. Today's early dismissal, so the kids will get out. So I don't even know if I'll get in the shop today. Oh, and then my wife's out of town, so she's helping her parents move right now. I have the extra load of just having to do all the kids stuff instead of a portion of it, which, you know, I take them to school and do that stuff, but like my wife packed her lunches and things like that, so I do that this morning. Let's see, I accidentally broke fast this morning. I do intermittent fasting, but I was packing their lunches today, and I was cutting up some pineapple for Ozzy. I accidentally ate a piece. So that kind of like puts the kibosh on fasting for the rest of the morning, because I already spiked my blood sugar. So I'm getting some breakfast tacos. Mother truckers. Oh, by the way, good morning, cupcakes. So intermittent fasting has a bunch of good benefits, health benefits. It helps you not become insulin resistant, things like that. I could go on. So basically what you do is you stop eating, I stop eating at 7 at night, and then I don't eat again until noon the next day. So I fast for like 17 hours. But the one thing that you realize when you don't eat breakfast is how delicious breakfast food is, especially the breakfast taco. These are golden, right? So anytime I accidentally break fast like I did today, I'm definitely getting me some bacon, egg, and cheese. Oh, tortilla. Oh, we got hot sauce in here too, baby. Hot sauce. Fucking staple, man. Staple. So I'm gonna eat breakfast, and then I have meetings. So I don't know if I'm gonna take you along for those. Yeah, that's what we got going on today, kids. Probably a little Fortnite once kids get home. Yeah. Coffee is life. Tacos, also life. So maybe just get to my morning routine today, unless something happens the rest of the day. Don't forget, if you haven't entered to win the contest to go to Las Vegas for LAZERCON with me, make sure to check out my bio or description, and make sure you sign up. Last time I checked, only 75 or 85 people have signed up, so you'll have a pretty good chance of winning. Man, it is such a trip to be talking to like a financial advisor and talking about such large numbers. Invest your money, kids. Invest your money. As one thing I can suggest is invest your money. But I remember, I was just talking to my wife, and I'm like, I remember back when we used to have to check our checking account to make sure we could order pizza, because it's how tight we were living. And now we're throwing around, let's just say, larger numbers than that for planning for retirement and things like that, and setting up like a kind of a safety account in case something happens, and setting up 529s, if you know what those are, for our kids. It is surreal to talk to somebody like in such big figures when I still feel like I might need to check the account before we order pizza. Not trying to say that I'm a gazillionaire, because I'm definitely not, but definitely invest when you can, just even if it's a little bit, because I didn't start investing until I was older, and if I would have started investing when I was younger, it'd be I wouldn't even need you people. I could buy and sell you people. Just kidding, but I would have had a lot more money.